and happy birthday to me. Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Guys, tell me, do you see any snow behind me? That's because we don't do snow. I canceled my snow appointment for sunny days. So stay tuned to see how the birthday vlog is gonna go. Right now we're just out on the mall walking, you know, looking for some stuff. Nothing too tough, nothing too serious. Nails checked, hair checked, face pretty. Anyway guys, stay tuned to see the rest of the vlog. If it is your first time coming onto my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit the notification bell that you may be notified when I upload my banging videos. And guys, don't forget to leave a like on the video. By the way, see me on my team move top. And happy birthday. So guys, we came to the park. But the water here very clean and appealing. I think not. I guess you don't go over there. It's so nice and peaceful out here. It's so beautiful. It looks nice out there though. Yeah. I'm dry. Yes, for real. I thought you had more. Your ears? You hear the dog?
Yeah.
Right, that's why when me see me, I said the Canadian geese, them, you sure them want them the out here? Don't not so vicious.
No, but them the one there, them the sitting down and come. And I pop them and roll clean at the funny.
Who you say that gag of them?
So people they are running hard. No, you can't do that.
Exactly, because you can't.
That's what you're supposed to wear.
When? Over there,
Full foot.
Oh Lord.
Full foot brand.
And I'm told that they're so uncomfortable too.
Ancestors foot brand. Your foot and walk, sir.
It's flat out, sir.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Anyway, guys, I just came here to take a few, nothing great, just a picture, finish one of my things. I want to just take a look. Now we're gonna go eat some lunch. Breakfast this morning was good. I put a picture of what we had for breakfast. I didn't bother to video because we were just having breakfast time, you know? So I didn't bother to put that in there. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Hi, getting ready to go out for dinner with my husband for my birthday. Yeah, so I'm just doing a quick look of makeup. Did my eyes already. Music plays in the background because I mean you have to vibe as you get ready. So I'll definitely bring you guys to dinner with us, and yeah, I'll talk to you a little bit more. I'll probably just let you guys watch a montage of me finishing up my makeup. I really don't want this makeup to be white, so I'm using the Black Opal Even True. Alright guys, so we are now at dinner. I should show you my fit of the day. That's what I'm because we're hungry. It's late. It's like almost 9:30. So yes, to my man. Thank you to my man for my jacket. Yeah, a purr. So yeah, I love fish and steak. So yeah, let's go. Ooh. You want us to do our usual starter, the wings?
We don't see nothing else.
There's nachos, but you don't like nachos.
But you can have nachos if you want nachos.
No.
This one I got to be the jabata. This one I got to be the jabata. I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada.
Alright guys, so the vlog continues. Today we're just walking downtown Vancouver. Guys, just know say we're grateful for your life. Big or small, money or no money. Because I just passed the whole street of people who don't even know that they're on that street, you know, right now. And it was just so sad. So sad to know that that's what them life gone to. I wonder if I'm not hear me though with the wind. Dang, this place. Right, just across here. I try to catch it.
Yeah. Shoes ain't got nasty tight.
Oh no. Try again. Right, so it's really pretty down here. Lots of antique building. Like, look at that one behind me. Oh, we go through here, so. You're welcome. Thank you. Did you look on it? Did you look at the menu? Oh, when I have it order, make it cheaper. How was the chicken? It's good.
You've never done any chicken.
It's again. I know it's. guys, we went to lunch, you see? It's so cute, right? And her coat. And then we went down by the pier and we looked at the little boats. You know, I paid the photographer to take some pictures for me, but he's acting up.
Yeah,
even though I paid a lot this money. I paid a lot of money earlier. A lot.
You smell the real estate?
It smells good. We're gonna come back here one day. So now we're just walking to the car. Yeah, we had pizza for lunch with, what was it that we had? What was the pizza again? Oh, buttermilk, fried chicken, and pickles. What? No wings over the pan menu. So just had to do what we had to do. But guys, honestly, it's so beautiful down here. Right, look at down the city. Amazing. Back to the car just for a little.
Just gotta roll with the flow, you know. Hey, you guys like some old school Kanye? Alright, I'm gonna do this after pretty speed. Did you get him Dazzy yet? Yeah. You have time, buddy. Let's go. Time dance for me. Hope you dance for me. Let's get down with somebody.
Alright guys, so we're leaving downtown Vancouver now. It was a good little evening. You know, saw lots of beautiful buildings and just nice scenery. And now we're headed back home. It's 6:34 now. I know it looks bright outside, but yeah, it's 6:34. Guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed spending my birthday with me and the day after my birthday. And I mean, if you're anything like me, you know that we celebrate all month long. So I know cameras again and again and again until the end of April. Well, I know my husband will carry me out, you know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. And just, yeah, have yourselves a good time, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.